see what we have work with. So we have some chicken. Come, let's season this chicken. I'm going in with some oil, some garlic powder, some paprika, some turmeric, some adobo all-purpose seasoning. Not too much because this salt. And then we're going in with some Maggi, all-purpose, and chicken seasoning, all-purpose. Let's go in and combine. Cover. Me and clean rock no green. I mean, I know if it show it no, I always have to sit out it. Just do this. Okay. Alright, so let's cover and refrigerate. So we're gonna add some vegetable oil to the pot. So once the oil hot, we're gonna place into the chicken in the pot. Once it gets some color, we're going to turn in. Now let's remove these. With the lid untied, and I kind of not good on this side. I was gonna remove them, but alright, so let's go in and turn these. Alright. now try the brush too dry because I don't want it to go in with the onion. Translucent. There's no garlic because now garlic in the peas because I'm gonna add some peas so going with some tomato paste. I'm gonna fry this stuff a little. Going with some tomato, the bell peppers, red, green, and yellow. Bell peppers. Pepper. I'm going to pierce the pepper so you can get some heat. Fire. Now what we're going to do is add some hot water to the basin. Season the chicken enough and just rinse that and pour it in. I also have some Goongoo peas that I boil in coconut milk with pimento seed and garlic. We're gonna add that to the pot also. Combine that together. Gonna cover and let everything come together, and then we come back. And so we're going to check on this. Oops. Alright, this is where you taste the pot, because if the pot not tastes right, I say your food will come out. So taste it, adjust it if need. Alright, just need a little more salt. So I'm gonna use my adobo. So add a little to it. And guys, you can adjust the color also. So you can add a little soy sauce or a little browning if you don't like this color. This is white pepper. Okay, better. So now I'm gonna go in, add my rice. And guys, the rice wash just because it's sitting there. Why do I can wash? Combine this properly. Now we're gonna place the chicken back into the pot. Along with the sauce, we drain out of the chicken. Now I'm going to cover and let the rice cook. Guys, remember the liquid should be no more than 1 inch over the rice, or you can add it to the oven. And you see what we have work with.